Good day, tech readers. Today we're going to discuss one of the most important days of the year, and that's Father's Day. Don't we all struggle to find the one gadget or gizmo our father doesn't already have? We've come to your rescue with this product here. It's called the Goal Zero Switch 10. It's not a single product, it's actually a whole range of products that all fit together. I'm going to start with this great power bank here. It's a 3000 milliamp hour power bank. Probably not the biggest, strongest thing you've ever seen, but it's more than enough to charge a sizable cell phone for a full charge. It's quite a robust design, a metal cylinder, and it's got this neat little light on the front, which is our favorite surprise feature. It's great for, prowling around underneath your car seat or in the dark somewhere. Then it comes with a range of attachments, the first of which is this torch. You simply snap this torch on, screw the collar, and you have a great torch. It's 110 lumens, which is not the most powerful again, but more than adequate for, prowling around inside your tent and so on. Another attachment is this fan. You simply attach and cool yourself down. Perfect for African environments, not so. The most important part probably is the solar panel arrangement. Really nice and robust. It's really tough, sturdy design, not glass covered as many of them are, which makes them really fragile. These are plastic, splash resistant, all that sort of thing. And these panels here, when left in the sun, will charge up your power bank in about 4 hours or so to full. It comes with Carabiners to hook onto pieces of tent or wherever you want to hang your thing. And it got this pouch on the back, so all your bits and pieces all fit in there. And you can zipper it all up so you don't lose bits and pieces of your kit, which ruins the whole effect, really. You want to know you've got all those gizmos when you're going on your camping trip, right? So here we are. Perfect Father's Day gift. The Goal Zero Switch 10. Power bank with a whole range of accessories. And its going price is in the region of 2,200 Rand. Delight your father this Father's Day with the Goal Zero Switch 10.